Macronutrients. The human body needs a wide variety of nutrients to survive. Many are micronutrients, which are required in very small quantities. For example, the average adult requires about 55 milligrams of the micronutrient selenium daily. That's roughly the same weight as a grain or two of rice. In contrast to the micronutrients, humans require a significant amount of macronutrients on a daily basis. When discussing the term macronutrients, nutritionists are in broad agreement that the three main sources of energy in the human diet are protein, carbohydrates, and fat. There is no such agreement, however, as to the ideal proportion of each macronutrient in a balanced diet. Of the three macronutrients, protein typically provides the fewest calories for the average person. 1 gram of protein contains 4 calories of energy, and nutritionists have traditionally recommended that approximately 15% of a person's calories come from protein. In addition to being an energy source, protein plays a number of vital roles in the body. Not only is protein necessary for building and repairing various tissues in the body, but it is also essential in hormone synthesis, enzyme production, and the proper functioning of the immune system. Like protein, 1 gram of carbohydrates contains 4 calories of energy. Unlike protein, however, carbohydrates' role in the body is mostly related to energy production. For most people, starches and sugars are their main sources of energy, typically accounting for 45% to 65% of daily calories. Once carbohydrates are broken down into simple sugars, some enter the blood for immediate use by the body. Other sugars are converted into a complex molecule called glycogen, which is stored in the liver and muscles until it is needed. The highest mass-to-energy ratio belongs to fat, as each gram of fat contains 9 calories of energy. It is generally stated that approximately 30% of our daily calories should come from fats. Although fats are often regarded as an enemy by those trying to lose weight, in fact, fats do much more than provide energy. Besides acting as insulation against heat loss and physical damage, fats are vital components of cell structures and nerve tissue. Moreover, fats have many physiological functions, such as helping the body absorb fat-soluble nutrients. Traditionally, nutritionists and medical professionals have suggested that the ideal diet should provide 15% of energy and calories from protein sources, 30% from fat, and 55% from carbohydrates. The validity of this ratio has come under more scrutiny in recent decades. In particular, many have questioned whether carbohydrates should make up such a large proportion of our energy needs. Many studies suggest that a carbohydrate-rich diet may be largely responsible for many of the chronic conditions of the modern world, including diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. Some people feel that a so-called ketogenic diet in which most calories come from fat rather than carbohydrates has advantages. Such a diet forces the body to convert stored fat into molecules called ketone bodies and then use these molecules for energy. Some research suggests that this diet may have health benefits, and surprisingly, it has also been shown to result in weight loss. Proponents of the ketogenic diet say it is more natural for humans since it closely matches the diet of our pre-agriculture ancestors. Not everyone agrees, however, and many health professionals are reluctant to recommend such a radical eating plan. A more nuanced approach suggests that only certain types of carbohydrates are a problem. In nature, most carbohydrates are in the form of complex molecules that must be broken down by the body in order to access the energy they contain. In modern processed foods, in contact, most carbohydrates are in the form of simple sugar molecules that our bodies can easily convert into energy. Research suggests that these molecules may be the cause of many modern conditions and that a diet that limits processed foods as a source of energy could be the best way to get a healthy balance of macronutrients.